Guess what? Your child could use the Trump account money for college, avoid the 10% penalty, and still owe the IRS. Yes, you heard correctly. That sounds contradictory, but it's not, because penalty free and tax free are not the same thing. After the Trump account growth period ends, the account generally follows traditional IRA distribution rules. From that point forward, an early withdrawal can create two separate costs: regular income tax and an additional 10% early withdrawal penalty. Early withdrawal simply means the money is taken out of the account before the age of 59 and a half. So taking the money out for college may qualify as an exception that removes the penalty, but it may not remove the regular income tax bill they have to pay. Here's an example to simply show the difference between the two. Say your child is now 20 and they withdraw $10,000 to help with college expenses. This illustration assumes the full $10,000 is taxable and the penalty applies. Now, depending on the child's tax rate, they could owe anywhere from $2,000 to $4,700, but most likely it's $2,000, which means their current tax rate is 10%. You see here that they aren't really getting $10,000 to spend. So if they actually need $10,000, they would need to pull out more to account for taxes and penalties. Let's fast forward, and now they've worked for 15 years on a job or as an entrepreneur, and they decide that they want to withdraw more money to go back to school. They are likely and hopefully making more income, which potentially puts them in a higher tax bracket. Now it's costing them more, and they're getting even less to spend. Do you see the benefit of not withdrawing the money early and letting it grow long term as it was meant to do? So before taking the money out, ask two separate questions. Will the additional 10% tax penalty apply? And will the withdrawal create an ordinary income tax bill? These questions should be directed to the account provider and a qualified tax professional. As a side note, the IRS lists multiple exceptions, but each has its distinct rules and requirements. In the next video, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to set up a Trump account. It's so simple, so stay tuned. That's all for now. Bye.